Hey guys, it's Pregna, and today we're gonna make Meethe Chawal. So, Meethe Chawal is a savory sweet dish made of rice from Haryana. It's usually eaten for lunch or dinner. It's very easy to make and only takes around 20 minutes. So, let's get started. As ingredients for this recipe, we will need half a cup of basmati long grained rice, 2 cups of ghee, half an inch of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves or lavang, 2 green cardamoms or 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 10 to 15 strands of saffron dissolved into a tablespoon of milk, sliced almonds, cashew nuts, raisins, pistachios, and 2 cups of water. So you should already have your rice made. So you're going to take a pan or a vessel like this, add 2 tablespoons of ghee over low flame. At this stage, you can add the cinnamon, cloves, and green cardamom and saute for 30 to 40 seconds. After this, you can start adding the mixed fruit like the cashews and the sliced almonds, pistachios. Saute until they turn a little bit roasted. After this, you can add 1/3 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Stir and cook for about a minute until it dissolves. So it should look like this. Then we can start to add our rice, which we had cooked earlier. When mixing, we need to make sure that everything is incorporated and it blends evenly into the rice. Alright, so after it starts to look like this, your Meethe Chawal is done and ready to serve. This is how your end product will be like, so hope you enjoy.